and welcome to my channel. This is Hugo Correa. In this case I want to show you a shower that I just finished, and I want to share with you all the happenings over here. So what you're seeing over here is a shower that I remodeled. It used to be really enclosed. It had a wall in each side and only like a 24-inch door in the middle. And the top also was really closed, so they made this opening that had no sense. And only one light that was kind of offset, and the shower was on the wall. So it was, you know, back in the days, I guess that was the only way of doing things. That they didn't have many ideas, right? So we went ahead and took all that out, transformed that shower into something a little nicer, a little more comfortable, more peaceful, right? Decorative as well. So you have now a new possibility in your shower, right? If you have that old style shower, this is another shower design that you want to do. So let's start with the structure. I wanna share with you what happened. So I had to modify this section over here. That light fixture was kind of moved a little bit, so I moved it to the side so to have the lights on and off over here, right? So that was the one thing. The other thing is that it only had one light fixture on the side. So what happened in that case is that it looked kind of odd. It had like a weird shadow, but now I added these really low profile high headlights. They're like about 2.5 inches tall on the inside, and the reason is that I have these return line over here for the HVAC system, the heating and cooling system of the apartment. That's why I use it, and I'm going to leave you a link so you can get it in case that you have that issue on your shower as well. Now, when that was the structure, right? So over there we have a piece of 2x6 to hold our bar. We have also a piece of like 2x4 on this side, secured to the metal studs, and that ensures there's the support for this 3/8 28-inch door that I installed over here. And the idea with this is that, well, with that actually horizontal bar over there, so just to put your towels or just to kind of grab on it, especially if you're seeing that over there, is because I wanted to make sure that it's some support, because this apartment is being fixed to offer to people that is really old and they want to move to a retirement community, which is this one. So that's the idea, 3/8 of an inch tempered glass in this case. And now if you notice the shower faucet and the diverter, which is the valve there, is kind of offsetted. And the reason is that when you open the door over here, you want to make sure that you reach this before you get wet. So it's really convenient if you want to direct the water from, you know, to one place or the other. So it's really convenient. What else? The handheld piece that is over there is adjustable. So you know you have your line over there that comes up, and then it's adjustable, so you can actually you know, enjoy that possibility of having that handheld piece for you. You know, if you want to sit down, you want to put like a little thick bench, you want to sit down, that will be really comfortable. If you're, you know, if you're shaving, if you're trying to take care of somebody else, an elder, or your kids or your pet, that's really convenient instead of having the rain shower on you all the time. So the first one controls the hot and cold water, and the other one controls the two functions. So we have the shower head on the top. I fix it like that, then the combination of both of them, and then only the handheld piece. So it's like a 3-point diverter. In this case, you can bring it up to 6 when you have like 3 different things. What kind of things? Very simple. You can have your handheld piece, your rain shower, and some jets that will kind of, you know, some like you know, massaging jets. That's a possibility, right? So what else? Now, what we have over there, some porcelain tiles that kind of mimic Carrara marble, and you have a little strip of decoration that was cut from the sheets that are 12 by 12. Same thing with the mosaics on the floor. They're 12 by 12 with a square drain on the bottom. Now, I have a lot of questions. Sometimes people say, well, you should put, in this case I use 2x4s on the bottom, you should put 3 2x4s and make that step a little taller, because you may have an overflow in case of the rain, the drain gets clogged up. Now, it is possible they can get clogged up. You have to allow about 15 to 20 gallons of water to just kind of collect over here to be able to actually bring it to the edge of that 1.5 inch step over there. So you know, you will have to be unaware for a long time that something's going on with your drain, and most likely that won't happen. So I won't get it taller just because it's really uncomfortable to walk in. And sometimes when I make a little more modern bathrooms, I'm not even put that stuff. I do something a little different than that. That doesn't have a transition. It only has some sort of concave design construction, and I show that in other videos, so it's a little more convenient. So it's like a seamless type of shower, right? Or stepless type of shower. So what else can I say about this shower? Well, you want to make sure that when you install these showers, you don't have all these, in and outs and your shower walls. And so you have to apply a technique. I actually go through that technique in other videos, but you want to make sure that that looks really well. The same thing with this. I have another technique that I use to make these nice decorations straight. If you notice, they're nice and straight with the wall. They're not synced in. They're not like sticking out, and that's something that I like to do. I'm really picky about the stuff in my own work. And that's it. So with this, I want to leave you. Just make sure that you put silicone on this edge, silicone on the bottom of the stationary piece over here, and you have a little kind of. If you notice that thing, it has, that step has an inclination towards the inside, and the water will repel there. Sometimes you can actually get the little edge over here. You can actually just kind of squeeze it in, like push it in, and you will have another seal there if you want to. In this case, I wanted to like swing in or swing out, right? So you want to do that stuff. Oops, you want to do that stuff. So anyway, that's what I want to do. That's one of the things that I like. That I like this to be malleable. I like to be I like to build things that have like a peaceful look, a tranquil look, elegant look, anyway, classic look. But anyway, with this I want to leave you. I hope this will give you an idea of how your shower can look like, and that's it. So I have other videos where I go in detail about the diverter valves and about the handheld pieces and all these other things that are really important. So please subscribe, share, and like. If you have comments, please let me know. Maybe you have other ideas, maybe you have other things that you can teach us, right? Maybe you have videos that you wanna promote, so I will be happy if you have a link where you can show how you make your own things and stuff like that, There's a lot of people that have way more talent that I have. I just like to share the stuff that I've been learning through years. And with this, hopefully, some people can have some inspiration. So I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that little bell once you subscribe, the little notification bell, so you can see more videos as I bring it up. So I'll leave the link for those lights on the video. So if you're interested in looking at it, they're really, really cool. They will help you for many purposes. All right. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want to see a lot more content and you want to follow my channel, please subscribe here, and why not to see this or that video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.